Sir Ma'am in the YouTube company. This is only my channel. The name of my channel is Ferdinand Leo Official Channel. I did not transfer yet my Google account, my YouTube channel to other devices like laptop or computer or any cell phones. I did not do that yet, so that you know how to protect me. And I use also my phone number that I put in my Google account, also my email. I use also in Facebook. So protect me also on Facebook. Collaborate with the Facebook company, Facebook office, to protect also my photos, videos there. Because when I sign in to Facebook, when I made the Facebook account, they told me to allow their company to access my photos and videos. That's why, of course, they already see my photos and videos, so protect me also to Facebook company. Sir Ma'am in the YouTube company, in all apps of Google company. Bulag daw ang pag-ibig. Two Boys. I hope you like this guy.
Sinikap kong magbago ng dahil sa'yo. Minamahal kita. Lumambot ang puso kong dati ay bato. Dahil sa pag-ibig mo, kilig, bulag daw ang pag-ibig. Siguro nga ay totoo, dahil ako'y inibig mo.
Pananaw, damdamin ay ginising mo. Ang puso kong tigang iyong diniligan. Salamat sa pag-ibig mo. Dahil ako'y inibig mo.
pag-ibig.
Siguro nga ay totoo at ako'y inibig mo.
Piling bulag daw ang pag-ibig.
Siguro nga ay totoo dahil ako'y inibig mo.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this content I made for you. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'm happy and being encouraged to do more videos for you. This is Ferdinand Leo Official Channel. Just type that guy, Ferdinand Leo Official Channel. That is my channel name in YouTube. I love you all. And I want to tell you that Jesus Christ, my God, no more, no less. Whatever my mistake is, all of us is still making mistake. But I'm not criminal. That because those are very foolishness attitude. The laws of God is so powerful. So let us follow the 10 Commandments. We can do that, God. I love you all. God bless, Mama Chuk Chuk.